Madeira was once home for sea forests. Compounding with global pressures like climate change, local human activities have also impacted our habitats. Coastal development, urbanization, pollution, and overfishing are amongst the most common impacts to be listed. Overfishing in particular has a specific impact here in Madeira.
These local stress factors combined with global warming and pollution have made the population of sea urchins overabundant with plague-like effects.
Sea urchins, on the other hand, they feed on algae, which means that without predators, their population can grow without any check.